Good morning, students. Nice to see you once again. Very nice. We are in the topic similar triangles, and we completed 6 questions in our 8.1. Let's go to the 7th question. So the question given there to you in the adjacent figure. Let's see the figure. 7th question. The figure is given as a triangle PQR. PQR. Okay, and here it is mentioned that A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. So taking a point O inside, OP is drawn, OQ is drawn and OR is drawn. Now on OP the point A is taken, on OQ the point B is taken, and on OR the point C is taken. It is joined here. OAB is said to be parallel to QP or PQ. Now AC is parallel to PR, and they asked you to prove that BC is parallel to QR. Is this clear? So this is what given to us. Now observe carefully what is given to you. Okay, you have to write that one. So PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. Given that AB is parallel to PQ, so AB line segment parallel to PQ line segment. AC is parallel to PR. AC line segment is parallel to PR line segment. What is asked to prove here? Yes, very good. To prove BC is parallel to QR line segment. Now right, I wish you to understand what type of theorem are you going to use here. Yeah, tell me. Very good, very good. You are using basic proportionality theorem. Now coming to the proof. Okay guys, now observing this AB parallel to PQ. Where is AB here? Now observing AB and PQ, what triangle do you choose here? Very good Nana, very good. OPQ is the triangle what you choose. Right, in triangle OPQ, AB is parallel to PQ. AB line segment parallel to PQ line segment. Okay, then by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Come on, tell me. What do you say? Very good. OA by AP. OA by AP is equal to another one. OB by BQ. Very nice. OB by BQ. Take it as equation 1. Similarly, we go to the another part, that is AC parallel to PR. Where do you observe AC parallel to PR? In which triangle? Yes, very good. The triangle is OPR. So in triangle OPR, you can observe that AC is parallel to PR, isn't it? So AC line segment parallel to PR line segment. Again, by basic proportionality theorem, what can you say here? Yes, the same ratio. OA by AP. OA by AP is equal to, very good, OC by CR. OC by CR. Taking this one as 2. From 1 and 2, can you observe anything common here? Yes, OA by AP. OA by AP is common. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can say that OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now observe carefully the figure. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now the ratios is given first. You want to show parallel. So what theorem do you use here? Exactly right. It is by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Very good Nana. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, you can say that BC is parallel to QR. BC line segment parallel to QR line segment. This is your proof. Very good. Next, we go to the eighth question. See the eighth question. What is given there? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay guys, this is your trapezium ABCD. You know clearly that AB will be parallel to DC in trapezium, isn't it guys? Right, let us write here. This is our eighth question. Given ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, now AB line segment parallel to DC line segment. It is a default in the figure. Very good. And its diagonals intersect each other at point O. You see the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Okay, AC line segment comma BD line segment intersect at O. Okay, what is asked to prove here? It is asked to prove that OA, show that, to show. What is asked to show, Nana? AO by BO. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. CO by DO. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. How could you prove this one? Yes? Very good. Yeah, but to apply basic proportionality theorem, what do you want? Yeah, we want a parallel line, isn't it? So do you have any parallel line inside? No, we don't have any parallel line inside, isn't it? So for that purpose, what we do, we make a line parallel to AB or to CD. Let it be OP. So I am taking a construction here. The construction is draw OP line segment parallel to AB line segment, which is again parallel to CD line segment. Is it clear? Right. Now taking OP as parallel, now you go to this one. Take the triangle ADC. Coming to the proof, in triangle ADC. Now tell me, what is parallel to whom? Very good. Now in this triangle, you can observe the triangle, isn't it? You are observing this triangle. In this triangle, you can see that OP is parallel to DC. OP line segment is parallel to DC line segment. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, you can say that AP by PD is equal to AO by OC. AP by PD is equal to AO by OC. Similarly, you observe carefully here. If it is taken in this manner, you go to the next one. Similarly, okay. Similarly, in triangle, you can take the next triangle. In triangle DAB, can you tell me what is parallel? Very good, very good. Yes, you are observing right. So DAB, this is the triangle, and here you can see that OP is parallel to AB. That is taken in the construction. So OP line segment parallel to BA line segment. Okay guys. Again, by basic proportionality theorem, okay, what can you say here? DP by PA. No, you should not take AP by PD directly, because you have to observe the vertex first of all. Okay, from the vertex you have to take the ratio. Any time that must be taken in that order. AP by ante manaku kavali kadanda, you should not take that one. So you have to take DP by AP is equal to OD by BO. OD by BO. But now here we have AP by PD. So we want this one to invert. So this one is called as AP by PD is equal to BO by DO by invertendo. Is it clear? By invertendo we made these two. Now you observe in the one you have AP by PD is equal to AO by OC, and in 2 you have AP by PD is equal to BO by DO. Comparing 1 and 2, what can you say here? From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, okay, we have AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. Now I change only OC and OB to get my answer. This procedure is called as alternando. Now I change BO to this side and OC to that side. Therefore, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is by alternando. Okay, hence we proved our proof. Is it clear, guys? Right. Practice all these questions, and we have a construction. In the next class, you be ready along with your construction box. Bye.